Another restore video. I'm gonna turn this 69 race car '69 cutlus. Back into what it's supposed to be. Hurst O's cutlus. Thanks for watching.